So, with my very important laptop, a Dell Inspiron 5570, I have removed the battery, removed this battery, held down the power button long enough to get it to release any charge it had, and then reconnected it all. It still doesn't boot. So I've got a dead computer. My options at this point are to look for advice, which I'm doing right now. I can remove the hard drive since it has very critical data to me, video clips and things. I think I have them backed up, but I guess I'll need a new computer if I can't fix this one. And I don't know what else to do to fix this computer. I don't know if there's a fuse I don't know about. The symptoms were that the keyboard stopped working, and I used an external keyboard, and that worked, and installed a new BIOS. I installed BIOS 1.2.3, and then it didn't boot at all after the BIOS update. That's why I thought removing the battery and resetting everything would allow it to maybe boot. It's not booting at all. So I have no further options with this. I guess I have to get a new computer, which is a difficult thing to do in my position. But yeah, so advice is welcome. I'm a little frustrated, as you might imagine. I do have a telephone that I can use to at least communicate. That's helpful, basic communication. But telephones aren't very useful for creating things. And I need to create things. So, who knows?